Today, we will be learning how to use the Vapor Dispersion tab on Chef 8 version 4 software. This tab allows you to enter release information, chemical properties and process information, which then provides you with estimates of the size and severity of the vapor cloud formed. For this example, we will be using data found from the BP Texas City case study. Our goal is to estimate the distance to concentration of interest in the stability class on the day of the incident. First, it asks us to select whether the release was located indoors or outdoors. For this case study, we are going to select outdoors. Then we will select the type of release as a flashing liquid. We are also going to select yes to use average time correction for flammable release. Note that the majority of most scenarios you will select no unless otherwise stated in the problem statement. The concentration of interest is 1.16% by volume, which also happens to be the lower flammability limit for this mixture. It is important to note that in most problem statements the concentration of interest is equal to the lower flammability limit of the substance. Next, we will use chemical properties found from the Chemical Hazards tab as gone over in a previous video. If you have not seen the Chemical Hazards tutorial, now would be a good time to stop and watch that video to see how we received this chemical data. Moving on, we know that the vapor molecular weight is 86. The airborne rate of the content is 55 kilograms per second. The airborne temperature at the time of release was 74.9 degrees Celsius. Finally, we fill out the equipment information, starting with the release elevation was 36 meters. We also can assume that the release direction is vertically upward and that no other layout information is required. As a result, we can see that the distance to the concentration of interest is 215 meters and at a default wind speed of 3 meters per second. The class stability is Class E. I suggest you use the next few minutes to play with the software and see how changing the chemical properties and process information affects the output solutions. Good luck!